Hi there, it's Chelle and Clint.
Hey guys.
Guys, today we have the design team for Tina over at Shabby Dabby Doodah. Her design team project finally completed. It took us a little bit longer, took me a little bit longer to get it done because of all the excitement this weekend. So I wanted to show this to you. Clint made this beautiful cover. He printed her digitals. I think it was like Birds of Spring, and he printed it on like, kind of like a canvas fabric. And then we have the oh, I just think it's so pretty. We have the window panes that he put it in. So I think that's so fun. And then he trimmed it out in this blue. There is a 2-inch spine. Yeah, just about a 2-inch spine. And then the papers, I think we did like 15 papers in each one. So 15, 30 times 2 is 60. So there's about 120 pages and 2 signatures. Sorry doing math. It's been a long day. So when this goes up, this book will go on my Etsy on July 1st at 8 o'clock a.m. Mountain Time. So here's some more of her digital. And this one wasn't her digital, but it's just a beautiful fabric, so we wanted to go ahead and use that. We have song paper, coffee dyed paper. This is from GT Designs. Other paper. And then I made this really fun mechanism. It's a waterfall, but you pull here and you take this out, and it's a journaling spot, kind of disguised as like a little waterfall. So that was really fun to make. I do have this on my page. I think it was part 1 or something of the video, maybe part 3. And then this, it has a magnet in it, and then you can put pictures here if you'd like. And then there's a little place for a tag here. Let's see if I have something to put in there. Oh, you guys, we've been really busy lately. I think I'll just pop this in there just so you know. And yeah, we got a lot of stuff from a yard sale, so I've been doing that. From an estate sale, I guess. Okay, so that's that. I have this paper, coffee dyed paper. This is a little tiny library card that I created, and just a little journaling spot there. And then it has a little paper clip on the back. And then I found this in my stash. Someone sent it to me. It's just a little envelope that I decorated with her digitals. Coffee dye paper from GT Designs. This little pocket was from one of my subscribers, and I just put a little one of her digitals in there. I had several, kind of printed off because my computer was messing up, and I just glued it down. So there's only one pocket here because it is very fragile paper. And then I did a collage of her digital, and then put this little envelope from a subscriber and put her digital on there, and then also a little piece of the digitals in there for journaling. So this is some graph paper, coffee dyed paper. Here's some fun bird paper. This is some tracing paper. I did put some June pages from Edith Holden in here, so I thought that'd be really fun. Fabric flip that Clint did, so this is part me and part Clint like they typically are. Another one of her gorgeous digitals. I love these. I think they're so pretty. And then at the bottom of this one, the charms, I put a little key and a little heart. So we have coffee dyed paper, the Edith Holden page. I just couldn't make myself cut it down, so you have that gorgeous page. And then a little pocket and a little tag that we made a while back. graph paper. Here's a belly band that Clint made, and then this is part of the digital kit. I think it's so pretty, and then there's just a little paper in there for journaling. And then I just fixed it so that it just kind of folds down and stays there under that belly band. Coffee dyed paper. Here's one of those pockets I made, and this was like an extra piece of the journaling or her digitals. Thought that'd be fun to either use or you can journal inside. And then when I was designing this, Clint suggested making pockets, so I have a couple of her little digitals in here for journaling on, or to decorate, whatever you want to do. I have a side collage pocket with another little digital there. Coffee dye paper and the music paper. And that's the end of the first signature. Here's the second signature. Beautiful digitals, guys. These are so pretty. And like I said, it is Tina over at Shabby Dabby Doodah. I will put her link below so you can go over and check out her digitals. They are absolutely beautiful.
They're beautiful.
Yeah, they're very beautiful. Music paper, a belly band. And this is an envelope that a subscriber gave me that I decorated. Nothing in there. There's a little pocket and with the skeleton tag. That was so fun, and I decorated that. And then there's a little tuck spot here. Let's see if there's anything I can just pop in there for you. I'll pop another one of those little cards just to show that it's a tuck spot. And then there's a little doily in here, but you can replace that with a picture or whatever you'd like to. In there. And then this is a page I got from Diane H. I just thought it would go really nice in here. Coffee dyed paper. This is the hidden tuck spot or journaling spot. So you can do this kind of like what we did on the other one, where you know you put like a folded down piece, maybe put coffee dyed paper or something in there and put it in here. And unless you're looking for it, you're not going to find, you know, a journaling spot. So I thought that turned out really pretty. Some ledger paper, tracing paper. Here's another one of those tiny library cards, little journaling spot, and a couple of the digitals that I didn't use for decoration, so put them in there so you can use them. Some bird paper, Edith Holden. I just thought they were so pretty, so I tried to kind of get ones that would match the theme. Coffee dyed paper, and this is another digital that I didn't use. I folded it up so you can journal on that. This pocket was from one of my subscribers. I just kind of added some of the digitals from Tina and then some lace just to kind of make it, you know, unique to this journal. Beautiful digitals. I love these. Look at that one. Isn't that pretty? And then on the inside of this one, I have two different butterflies for the charms. I didn't have any bird butterfly or bird charms, but I think that turned out really nice. So this is a fold out, but look at that digital. Love it. And this is a little matchbook that I made a long time ago. I think I did this from Tracy, I don't know, I can't think of what her name is, but here's the fold out. Coffee dyed paper, Edith Holden page. I think that's so pretty. A little tuck spot here with some more little birds, just little pieces from the kit. And then this little matchbook that, again, as a subscriber gave me. I really pulled from my stash for this journal and realized how much I don't have in my stash. So I need to really start building it up. Again, as far as pre-made items, you know. Ledger paper. Oh, I sewed on there. And then another one of those really pretty big pockets. Then I have like a little digital piece in there, and then another digital page that I folded so you can journal on inside the big pocket. Coffee dyed paper, some more of that paper from Diane H. Paper, and then another fabric flip. And we had actually, this is another one of Tina's digitals, and we loved it so much that we, well, we were testing out this fabric to see if it would work, and it did. So we kept it, and Clint made a fabric flip out of it. So, and the use for fabric flips are so you can write stuff maybe you don't want people to see right away, or a Christmas list or something, and kind of, you know, have a little hiding spot. And then coffee dyed paper, music paper, copyright 1936. And then her beautiful digital to finish it up. And then that beautiful fabric. So I hope you guys like this. Again, this will be going in my Etsy store at 8 o'clock a.m. Mountain Time on July 1st. And I'll put that in the comments below so that you guys can just kind of look down there in case you didn't hear when I'm going to put this in. So I hope you guys love this. This one was so fun. Of course, I say that about all of them. I just say, you know, they're just fun. But thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure and hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up. And we will see you guys in the next video. See you soon. Bye.
Bye, guys.